Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding or installing a wireless keyboard on your Windows 10 machine. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the devices tile, and then select add Bluetooth or other device at the top of this page. You would go ahead and select the Bluetooth option for mice, keyboards, pens, or other audio Bluetooth devices. So you would select that. Make sure your device has been connected to your Wi-Fi though on your house Wi-Fi settings. So make sure it's been connected to that, because if it has not been, you will not be able to detect it via the Bluetooth settings here. It's using your wireless adapter. So if you aren't connected to your device or your device isn't connected to your Wi-Fi, you're not going to be able to add it through here. So you got to make sure you do that first and then come in here and add the device. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.